Local weather here in the New Orleans area includes, first of all, a very pleasant start to the week, a really nice end to the week, an upcoming weekend, and then sandwiched in the middle, some rain finally on Wednesday. And we haven't talked about rain, decent rain chances anyway, in over a month. And the airport has been dry since then. We have had a couple of days with very small showers here and there, but not a big widespread rain event. We will see how much rain we eventually get on Wednesday. I'll show you more in a second, but right now we're certainly enjoying the very pleasant weather on this Monday. Temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s. We'll see lots of sun today with a very pleasant feel. That low humidity has felt so nice yesterday and into today. High temperatures about 81 and winds mainly from the northeast. Tonight, clear skies, really comfortable, just dropping through the 70s, eventually into the 60s this evening, with North Shore lows about 55, and south of the lake you can expect lows about 63. Now tomorrow looks nice too, just a touch warmer, still dry, although we may notice humidity edging up at the end of the day and into Wednesday. That will set us up as that moisture finally increases for some showers and storms as our next cold front approaches, moves in by Thursday. We'll have a slight chance of rain Thursday, but we'll already be feeling less humid by Thursday, and then into Friday and the weekend, we will be cooler and less humid. And some of that moisture that we're going to see on Wednesday will be indirectly coming from Julia, not from a big tropical system getting near us or threatening our area, but just from some moisture that you can see here skirting off to the north into the Gulf of Mexico even right now, even though the center of what is now tropical depression Julia is here over the Central America spots around Guatemala and El Salvador, and it's continuing and expected to move to the northwest, staying over land. So by this evening and tonight, it will likely just be a remnant low pressure area. But as I was showing you earlier, the National Hurricane Center picking up on a small disturbance here. This is just some showers and storms kind of embedded in that low pressure from Julia, and this may take a westerly route. They're giving it a low chance, very low chance of developing into a depression or storm in the next 2 to 5 days, only 10%. Really, they're just kind of highlighting this to show that if it stays out over the Bay of Campeche, that it will have a low chance to show some signs of developing, but we're not expecting this to be any sort of threat for our part of the Gulf Coast. Now, this is our setup, and this is why we're going to see eventually some rain, though, from it. Here is the tropical moisture in the oranges and the dry air in the blue. Obviously, at the beginning of this week, we're still enjoying that nice dry feel, but look at the moisture. It kind of surges to the north a little bit. Likely nothing developed, but just that tropical moisture in the atmosphere. And this time, when we get our cold front moving in, we've had several moving in lately, but it's been too dry to spark any showers and storms. But this time when it moves in, I think there will be enough moisture to produce some showers, storms, some rain, which we haven't seen for over a month. And then we get the dry air in time for the weekend. So planning it out, I'm starting our model here at Tuesday, 5 p.m. Just a couple more clouds tomorrow, still a dry day. Tuesday night, mainly dry. Then this is Wednesday morning. Still could be on the drier side, but watch what happens through the day. 1 p.m. starting to see some showers and a couple of storms. 3 and 4 p.m. This model is going a little heavier on the rain. Some have a lot less rain. And then we may get another wave perhaps late Wednesday night. And then we're drawing out already on Thursday. So timing could change a bit, but right now I would plan for mainly Wednesday during the day, possibly at night too. We will see. How much rain? Well, if you're looking for a lot, I don't think we're going to get it, but we'll say at this point perhaps a ½ inch. Might be less though. In October, it's such a dry month for us. Often, even when models have a decent amount of rain, sometimes it actually pans out with less than what the models were producing. So they're showing up to about a ½ inch or so at this point. So we'll be optimistic. Severe storms, thankfully, not expected. Now, our 7-day forecast past the rain on Wednesday. You can see Thursday into the weekend is looking good. The big global models are actually very split, though, about how cool it will get behind this front. One of them has it much warmer. The milder European model has temperatures a bit higher, and the GFS has it much cooler. So we will see. They will likely come into better sync in the next couple of days, but I would plan for low humidity, sunshine, and really overall a very pleasant weekend once again for a week from now.
All right. Thank you, Alexandra.